Okay, so numeracy non-calculator intermediate paper from November 2016. Okay, question 1. We've got Marcus here as a farmer and he has his own conversion graph to change between acres and square yards. It says then complete each of the following statements. 3 acres is equal to something, yeah, square yards. If you look at the conversion graph, okay, it doesn't go all the way to 3 acres. You could continue it with a ruler, okay, so it's going to be there, isn't it? If you visualize that, so 3 acres, and you can then see what that's going to be in square yards. Trouble is they don't give us the total there, they don't tell what that number is there. So another way of doing it is to look from our graph and think, how else can I make 3 acres? Well, if you can think of, look from what we've got here, 2 acres, first of all, let's look at what 2 acres is. So I go up from 2 acres, draw a line from 2 acres until it hits the conversion line there, okay? So it hits the conversion line there. Let's read across. So we get 9,680. So let's write that down. Got some room here. So 2 acres. Okay, 2 acres will equal to 9,680 yards. Okay, or square yards. Okay. That's 2 acres. Now I want 3 acres, don't I? So what I could do now is see what 1 acre is. So draw a line from 1 acre till it hits the line and then read across there, 4,840. So 1 acre is 4,840 square yards. Okay, now think about it. If we know what 2 acres is and we know what 1 acre is, we can work out the total of 3 acres, can't we? We just need to add them together. Okay, so we get a total by adding these together. And add these together here, so 0 and 0 is 0. 4 at 8 is 12, so 2 carry 1. 6 at 8 is 14, plus the 1 is 15, so 5 carry 1. 9 at 4 is 13, plus the 1 is 14. So we get 14,520 square yards. Okay, and in part B it says 5.5 acres is equal to how many square yards? And let's think, how are we going to get 5.5 acres? Well, we've already got 3 acres, haven't we? We've already worked that out. So let's see if we can build up from there. 3 acres is equal to 14,520. What else would we need now to get to 5.5 acres? Well, we've got 3 acres, so we'd need another 2.5 acres, wouldn't we? And because I've looked at my conversion graph, I know I can get 2.5 acres simply looking at what's between 2 and 3 there. There's 2.5 there. So I'll draw a line up here till I hit my graph, and then we draw a line across, and we see then we've got a value for 2.5 acres. It's 12,100 yards. So I write that down, and now we're just going to add these up. 0 at 0 is 0, 2 at 0 is 2, 5 at 1 is 6, 4 at 2 is 6, 1 at 1 is 2. So we've got 26,620 square yards. Okay, there are other ways of doing it, but that's just one approach.